Extra pass. Double team out on Lynn. Lynn now keeps his dribble alive all the way to the basket.
That was just a really nice move by Jeremy Lin.
Yeah. And Jeremy got him a good look on the shot. Asik kept it alive, and Jeremy missed the layup. And the Houston Rockets shooting only 23% from the field and still trail by only one. Parsons turns the corner on Singler. Back outside to Jeremy Lin. Gets a good look on a three. Jeremy Lin with 5 points. Gets it right back again. Will put it up. He missed the shot. Jeremy Lin in the open court. Turning one around. Asik to the basket. Puts it up and in. Oh boy. Asik. Parsons and Jeremy Lin leading the way for Houston as they are up now by 14 points. On the drive in the middle is Knight, tipped away by Lin. Lin gets it back, great pass from Harden. And Lin now shovels it over to T. Jones, and he's fouled on the pew in Indiana. There's Stuckey blocked inside. That sets up a fast break. Back to Harden for the slam.
So Terrence Jones is making his imprint on this game already with that block shot, but also he had which leads to a fast break dunk. This is how the Rockets want to play. They want defense on one end. They want
OU teams. Oh, backdoor to Harden. What a pass. Jeremy Lin pulled the trigger on that. Jeremy back to Asik again. This time he gets it up and in.
Again, he should have.
Where to go? Shot clock down to 6 seconds now. Good defense by the Pistons. 4 seconds. Patterson puts it up and in.
Patterson on the board, Patrick.
That's the first. Straight up with the arms. Here's Jeremy Lin in the open court. James Harden. 2 and 1. Yes.
And that's a tremendous finish by James Harden. Not too many. And then put the ball out with his left hand. Watch how he gets space with his body, and then with his left hand able to knock that down and finish the shot.
Yeah, James is strong. He's able to elevate and hang.
See that frustration too, fellas? Look at this.
Yep.
You were with us. From the outside, Chandler Parsons with a three.
The reason he shoots him, he's wide open. They don't really.
Lin, Asik, slam. That ball moved. 3 seconds left. Detroit gets a basket right at the end of the quarter. And the Houston Rockets get the job done tonight.